Mastering the studio apartment requires a sophisticated understanding of spatial composition and visual boundaries. The design philosophy of the modern studio centers on the transition from open concept fluidity to intentional zones of intimacy. Utilizing IKEA components as architectural interventions allows for a curated interplay between light and form, transforming a singular volume into a multifaceted residential experience. By focusing on material integrity and geometric precision, these partitions serve as more than mere barriers. They are sculptural elements that define the apartment's aesthetic narrative. Through the strategic use of transparency, matte finishes, and rhythmic textures, these room divider concepts elevate the standard studio layout into a masterclass of interior proportion and sophisticated urban living. Number 1. Construct a sculptural Kallax grid partition. The Kallax 5x5 shelving unit serves as a powerful architectural monolith when positioned perpendicular to a primary wall. This design variation utilizes the rhythmic geometry of the open cubes to create a permeable boundary that maintains visual continuity. The matte lacquer finish interacts elegantly with natural light, casting sharp geometric shadows across the interior. By selectively populating the voids with artisanal ceramics and glass vessels, the partition becomes a curated gallery wall. The composition balances mass and transparency, providing a clear division between the sleeping quarters and the living salon, without compromising the studio's perceived volume. Number 2. Integrate fluted glass PAX cabinet walls. Elevate the studio's materiality by utilizing PAX wardrobe frames fitted with fluted or frosted glass doors. Placing these units back-to-back creates a substantial architectural wall that mimics high-end custom cabinetry. The vertical ribbing of the fluted glass adds a sophisticated texture that diffuses light, offering privacy while maintaining a luminous quality. The dark Tysodol or Bergspo frames provide a rhythmic verticality that elongates the room's proportions. This design solution integrates structural mass with light-reflective surfaces, resulting in a sophisticated transition zone that feels like a permanent architectural feature rather than a temporary furniture arrangement. Number 3. Deploy minimalist L. Varley tension-mounted posts. The L. Varley system offers an industrial chic aesthetic through its floor-to-ceiling tension-mounted aluminum posts. This configuration emphasizes verticality and transparency, making it ideal for smaller studios where visual weight must be minimized. By arranging white powder-coated shelves at varying heights, you create a floating sculptural effect. The absence of solid back panels ensures that light permeates every corner of the apartment. The thin architectural profile of the aluminum frames provides a crisp, clean-lined boundary that defines the entryway or workspace while preserving the expansive, airy character of the open-plan floor layout. Number 4. Arrange organic IVAR pine slat systems. Utilize the IVAR solid pine shelving system to introduce organic warmth and rhythmic texture to the studio environment. By installing custom timber slats across the back of the IVAR frames, you create a sophisticated brise-soleil effect. The light-colored pine provides a soft, natural aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with modern finishes. The rhythmic spacing of the slats allows for controlled glimpses between zones, offering a sense of seclusion without total enclosure. This approach emphasizes materiality and craftsmanship, turning a standard storage component into a custom-built architectural screen that enhances the apartment's tactile and visual harmony. Number 5. Suspend ethereal Vidga ceiling track textiles. For a fluid and dynamic spatial boundary, the Vidga ceiling track system allows for the suspension of high-end textiles that redefine the apartment's volume. Using heavyweight velvet in deep jewel tones or sheer Belgian linen creates a theatrical and soft-touch partition. The track's recessed profile ensures a seamless architectural integration with the ceiling. When drawn, the fabric panels introduce a new textural plane that absorbs sound and softens the visual landscape. This design variation allows for total flexibility, enabling the resident to instantly shift between a grand, open entertaining space and a draped, intimate sanctuary. Number 6. Compose asymmetrical ECAT floating cubist modules. Transform the concept of a room divider into a piece of cubist art using the ECAT modular system. By staggering various sizes and depths of ECAT cabinets in an asymmetrical, wall-mounted or stacked composition, you create a visually dynamic boundary. Utilizing a monochromatic palette with pops of contrasting finishes, such as matte dark gray against pale oak, adds depth to the arrangement. This sculptural approach treats the room divider as a focal point, where the negative space between modules is as important as the units themselves. It provides a sophisticated way to delineate a home office or a dining nook with artistic flair. Number 7. Position woven Tolkiening rattan privacy screens. Introduce a touch of biophilic design with the Tolkiening rattan room divider. The hand-woven natural fibers offer a tactile, organic contrast to the often rigid lines of urban studio apartments. The 3-panel folding design allows for a curved, sculptural silhouette that softens the room's corners. The intricate weave provides a delicate interplay of light and shadow, creating a semi-transparent screen that offers privacy without blocking the flow of air or light. This piece works exceptionally well in Japandi or boho chic interiors, where the focus is on natural materials and a serene, harmonious aesthetic that balances the modern with the artisanal. Number 8. Feature symmetrical Billy library spine divides. The classic Billy bookcase, when used in a back-to-back configuration, creates a grand library-inspired divide that adds architectural weight and intellectual character to a studio. Selecting the deep navy or black-brown finishes with height extension units allows the divider to reach toward the ceiling, mimicking a built-in library wall. The symmetry of the shelves provides a structured back for a dining or lounge area. By using glass-fronted Augsburg doors on one side and open shelving on the other, you can vary the transparency and functionality, creating a dual-sided design element that is both a library and a display case. Number 9. Sculpt architectural Plaza modular storage boundaries. The Plaza system provides the ultimate in modular flexibility, allowing you to build a custom architectural boundary of varying heights. By combining low-profile drawers with taller wardrobe units in a stepped formation, you create a sense of movement and zoning within the studio. The clean white lacquer finish and handleless design offer an ultra-minimalist aesthetic that blends seamlessly with white walls. This configuration can serve as a bed headboard on one side and a functional storage wall for the living area on the other, maximizing the utility of every square inch while maintaining a sleek, uncluttered visual horizon. These sophisticated spatial solutions transform open floor plans into curated sanctuaries, proving that IKEA design can be truly architectural. Elevate your studio today. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Thank you.